Hi, welcome to this tutorial on installing the VOXON SDK. In this video, I'll be covering the system requirements, installation, and what is included within VOXON SDK. Before we begin, you will require admin rights for the PC you're installing this package to. Now, if you have previously had the SDK installed via the zip file that we used to produce, and you set up a manual path variable directing the system to your voxybox.dll, you'll need to remove that before you begin. First, open up a Explorer and browse to voxon.co/community. Now, under the Download and Unity plugin heading, click Download here. Once the SDK has been downloaded, open it up. Proceed through the installation. Once the installation is completed, ensure that Launch VOXON is still ticked and hit Finish. This will run a script to install the remainder of the required software. After the installation is completed, the SDK is now available to you. Within the SDK is a collection of programs, such as a graphical calculator, a series of animation and game demos, and a model viewer. Also included within the SDK is a updater, which will be in the taskbar, and a folder that includes the Unity example code. This example code covers how to develop a program within C, C#, and touches on developing within Java. Thank you for watching this very short video.